Last week on my other YouTube channel, I almost went viral. For the first time ever, after I uploaded a video, YouTube started pushing it out onto people's homepages within like the first 24 hours. I got 1,000 views in about an 8 or 9 hour period. So on this channel that I've made as a part of my job as a marketing manager, I have plenty of videos that have 10,000 views, 100,000 views, but that's just taken a long time of organic traction. I've never gotten this kind of growth so quickly on one video. So I was shocked and excited and thinking I'm some kind of YouTube genius. And then all of a sudden, it just stops. I mean, views go down to a few an hour. I'm going to show you the critical error that I made in editing this video and how I could have fixed it in real time. And if I did, YouTube probably would have kept pushing out that video. You actually can edit a video on YouTube after you upload it so that you don't have to take it down and then re-upload, losing all of these views in the process. This channel is all about sharing the things that I learn along the way as a marketing manager so that you can learn from my successes and failures, as will be the case in this video. So I'm going to share my screen with you now to take you into that video that almost went viral and show you what I should have done. YouTube was giving me all of the information that I needed to fix the problem. And so next time I'm going to be ready, and I want you to be ready too. So let me share my screen with you now. So this is what it looks like when a video starts to go viral. I uploaded it here, and just a few hours later, it just skyrockets like this. And then as you can see, it stops. It just flatlines. And now you can see on this video real time, I'm getting like 24 views in the last 48 hours. Down here, as you can see from the traffic source, it's a little different right now. When it was taking off, it was saying that like 90% of my viewers were coming from the YouTube homepages and from YouTube recommendations. And typically, most all of my traffic comes from search. I saw the video taking off. Also at the same time, I'm looking at my analytics down here. This is what it did look like. I took a screenshot right after I made a change because I thought, oh, I need to screenshot this so I can show you guys. There was this huge drop off right after the beginning of the video. This is basically like a tool review type video. At the very beginning, I edited in like a little joke, which I thought was funny. That typically works on my other videos to kind of add in something funny at the very beginning, but it clearly wasn't working. And even though the video was going viral, it obviously had a good thumbnail and title. Too many people were dropping off at the beginning. YouTube stopped recommending this video because it wasn't getting enough watch time. Too many people were clicking on it and then clicking away. So YouTube is like, oh, okay, people don't actually want this video. I should have made a change while this was going on because I had all the information right here. I really should have trimmed off that joke at the very beginning and got the video just straight into the review portion. It could have been a really easy fix, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm going to go into a different videos to show you some editing because I don't want to mess this one up because it's still a really good video. Okay, so this is a video I made a long time ago, and I'm going to show you how you can edit a video after you upload. So if you are in your video details right here, click right here on editor. And down here, you can make some pretty significant edits. What I should have done and what I did eventually do, but just much too late, is I should have come down here and just chopped off the beginning. And so how you do that is hit your trim button right here, and you can put your cursor wherever you need to, and you can either, you can split it like that, and then you can edit out a certain section, or like what I did on the video that went viral, I should have just trimmed off the first section like this and saved it. But I did do that, and it has helped in the analytics, but I just did it much too late. So here are some features right here where you can make some fixes in your editing after you upload. You can trim a video, the beginning portion, the ending portion. You can split right here to trim out a certain section. Like anything that you see that is dark will be trimmed out. I have made this error before where I accidentally got somebody's license tag when I was filming as a part of my job, and I definitely wanted to take it out. So I used this blur feature right here. So let's do custom blur. So you can put in this blur feature, like let's say I wanted to blur out a logo on a shirt. You can just put that right there, and that will fix your problem. Another one that I find kind of useful is changing where your ad breaks are. So I just find this many ad breaks to be obnoxious. So I would take some of these out, make it not quite so ridiculous. So I'm going to take you back to the analytics on this video. Let me find my screenshot. I made this screenshot right after I edited off, I chopped off the first section. As you can see right here, this is what it looked like basically before I chopped off the beginning. And now this is what it looks like after. That instant drop off is getting better. Just unfortunately, I had, 1,000 views coming in to make this statistic and only like now 100 to try to make up for it. It is getting better. My average percentage viewed of the video is going up. Same with my average view duration. That's all helpful. I did improve the video. It's just too bad that I missed my opportunity to go real viral. I do hope that this video helps you out. It's great to pay attention to your analytics after a video posts and to see if there's any ways that you can improve it without having to take it down and reload it. So I do hope that you like and subscribe for more low-cost, no-cost marketing tips every week. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.